The TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro changes the way you use a phone. It doesn't just chase high refresh rates or flashy spec. This is a phone you can actually use all day without fatigue, and it comes packed with features that make it stand out instantly. Starting with the design, it's slim at 8mm and weighs 208 grams, making it easy to hold and carry. The front is Asahi glass, strong and scratch-resistant, while the back and frame are lightweight plastic. It's IP68 certified, so drops in water won't break it, and it supports a stylus for drawing, notes, and precision work. Dual nano SIM plus eSIM support lets you run multiple numbers at the same time. The display steals the show. It's a 6.9-inch IPS LCD with NxtPaper 4.0 technology. Brightness hits 900 nits, and the NxtPaper key instantly switches between color paper mode, ink paper mode, and max ink mode. Max ink mode turns the screen into a monochrome, distraction-free interface, perfect for reading or studying for hours. 7 eye care technologies reduce blue light, flicker, and reflections, keeping your eyes safe even outdoors under bright sunlight. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset powers the phone, paired with 8GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB plus micro SD-CXC expansion. Virtual RAM boosts performance up to 24GB, letting you run heavy apps, multiple browser tabs, and games without lag. The cameras are versatile and reliable. The rear has a 50-megapixel main camera with dual OIS and EIS stabilization and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. You can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS or use TCL's Muse film software for creative features like horizon lock, night mode, and film-style filters. The 32-megapixel front camera handles selfies and video calls with HDR and 1080p video. For audio, stereo speakers deliver clear sound for music, videos, or calls. No 3.5mm jack is included, so you'll need USB-C or wireless headphones. Connectivity covers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, NFC, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG, making it fully capable for all your devices and peripherals. Security and sensors include a side-mounted fingerprint reader, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and barometer in some regions. The 5200 mAh battery charges fast with 33-watt wired support and keeps the phone running long hours. Durability ratings show it can survive up to 180 drops, and repairability is rated Class B. The T Pen stylus expands functionality further. You can write, sketch, take off-screen notes, and even use AI-assisted journaling. This makes the phone feel like a hybrid between a smartphone, e-reader, and notebook, perfect for anyone who needs focus and productivity on the go. Priced at Euro 339 for 256GB and Euro 389 for 512GB, the NxtPaper 70 Pro isn't chasing benchmarks. It's delivering comfort, focus, and long-lasting usability. If you spend hours reading, writing, or working on your phone, this device makes every session easier on your eyes while keeping all the functionality you need.